For tonight and for this evening, I will teach you guys how to use your Paint app to copy and paste the pictures or any examples that you can provide to your students during the class. So this will be the logo of the Paint app. You can find that in your computer. You can just go there on your start menu, but if you are using your if your operating system is Windows 10, then you can just click the Windows button there or the start button and search for the word paint, and then this logo will pop up on the search bar, and you can click that one. Then you can see this window. So this is the Paint app. This is how it looks like. So you can paste photos there. You can write anything there. You can use the so many shapes in here. You can also use this to reward your students since that class in is a bit laggy. So this will be a very good option for your Blackboard to your students. So you can share this one in your Voov to show the Paint app to reward your student. And also, I will teach you also how to share audio to your student. Share the music or the audio from the book. You can also share the audio for that. So I will teach you how to do that. And then how to share audio in Chinese translation. So I will teach you how to play the sound. In Google Translate or Papago, if you're using Papago, that would be better also. So I will teach you how to play or play the audio in Chinese language so that your student can understand. Let's say your student don't know what is the question, so then you can translate it and play the audio. Then the audio will say it in Chinese language, so it will be easier for them to know the question and to understand the question. Okay, so guys, I will share my screen. I will show you how to do that. Okay, so first thing first, you have to open your Voov app, of course. So this is my Voov app, and okay, you enter in your class. Yes, and of course you can turn on your camera there. You can make sure your audio is working. Then you can share the Paint app. Okay, so share your screen. Make sure you click the right window that you are sharing, because if you are clicking this desktop window, all the windows that is popping up or that is opening in your screen will be visible to your students end. Okay, so let's just click the Paint, since only the Paint will be visible to our students, and or this will be the window that we will going to use so that the student so that you can copy and paste the picture for your student. Okay, so alright, you can also click this Share PC Audio. This will let your student hear anything playing or sounds from your computer. So if you click this one, they can hear the music or the audio that is playing on your students in your computer. Okay, so let's share the Paint. So this is the Paint, right? So you can write here. You can write text here. You can make sentences like this, like it's an apple, like that. And then you can put there the picture of the apple. You can search it in Google, like apple, like that. Okay, and then you can copy image. Then go here in Paint and make sure you click the select menu or the select button there before you paste, or click the Ctrl V on your keyboard. So it should be Ctrl V, guys. Ctrl plus V, Victor, for you to paste the picture here in Paint. You can also do some screenshots for your students. You can also draw. You can draw a face to your apple, a happy face, like that. So you can do many things in here. You can also draw squares and this one, diamonds, stars, and many things. So it's just like using class in Blackboard, but this Paint app is a bit compatible, or the weight or the storage the storage is is a bit lower than class in, because class in is a bit laggy. So if your computer spec is not really good, much better if you will use the Paint app for your for the class. Okay, so alright, so I hope you learned something there, guys. So make sure if you are doing something there, you can also change the color, make it red like that. Okay, you can also do that. Also, you can take a screenshot, anything, but anything you can do here, like in class in, you can copy paste as long as you're clicking the select button here. Okay, so alright, I guess that's for number 1. So the next one here is, so let's stop sharing the screen. This time, let's go to our task number 2. So the task number 2 is on how to share the audio. Task number 2. So the task number 2 is on how to share the audio to your student, right? So let's say, for example, this is your book. Okay, so make sure you click the button here, share PC audio, because if you don't click that, of course your student can't hear the audio. Okay, so for example, here is your student's book. Okay, so can you see that? Alright, so for example, that is your student book. Okay, and then alright, so that is your student's book. So you share that. Make sure you are sharing the right screen. So you should click this one. Okay, and that screen will be visible to your students screen. Okay, for example, these are ducks. Okay, for example, these are ducks, right? So your student don't know let's say your student don't know what is a real duck look like, or a real duck look like. So you want to translate it in Chinese. He or she don't know what is ducks, for example. So all you have to do, guys, is you translate it in Papago or Google Translate. You can do that. So all you have to do, guys, you go there in your Google Chrome, okay, and you click, and you can translate the word duck. So make sure it's in the right language or usage. So ducks, okay, and okay, so this is the Chinese words for ducks, right? You can copy and paste it here, so that your student will know the word, or you can also play that to your student. So you can click this one to share the audio, and your student can hear that.
鸭子，鸭子，
Yes. So your student can hear the Chinese word. Okay, and it will be easier for them to know what is the word duck mean. Okay, or also you can show a picture. So you can circle this one, or you can use your paint and copy paste here the word duck. So let's search for some photos of ducks. So for example, this one. So you right click that one, copy image, minimize this, and make sure, guys, you stop sharing that one and share the paint, because if you don't share the paint, of course, another window is showing on your student's screen. So since I shared already the Paint app, your student can see this picture on the screen, on her or his screen. Okay, yeah, so to share the audio also, let's say you wanted to play music. Okay, so for example, a video. Okay, so like this. Okay, in there, since that I am sharing the Paint app, your student can see the Paint app on his or her screen. But if I play the sounds here in Google Chrome, your student cannot see this, but he or she can hear the sound of the song. Okay? Okay, so for your future audio, you can open it in another browser or another app. Then you have to share the right screen to your student, the screen that you want your student to see on his or her screen. So make sure you are sharing the right screen, because if not, your student will see all the things that you are clicking there on on your on Voov. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, and I really appreciate you all guys commenting in my tutorial videos. If you have any questions, you can tell me, you can message me or comment there below in this video so that we can improve our video next time. So thank you so much, guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.